It's on the,
Is it on the-
it's on the column right there. It's a round switch right there.
So headlights were working before you replaced the steering column?
They work great too.
Yep.
Were they working? Oh, I had no.
Yeah, no, so that wasn't it.
Okay.
Just in any.
Well, it was at the shop,
It unwinds.
and they're the ones that addressed it, because when it went into the shop, the headlights were working fine, 100%.
Yeah. Oh, okay, so we don't know what
They
they,
said, oh, by the way, your headlights aren't working.
yeah,
They were.
yeah.
So I think these may be related. The windows weren't working before, now they're working, but it's one of those things where they're very, very slow going up and maybe not get to the top. But when they go down, they go psh, nice. Okay, so it's either voltage drop. I thought it might be the channels. So I lube the channels, you know, with silicone spray. I don't think that's it. So I'd say start with the headlights if we can. If we want to do a couple of teams, we can do headlights and doors or you know, windows at the same time. However we want to do this.
Where's the other plug for the other
Flash.
headlight?
Switch.
Yeah.
Right here.
Exactly.
No, there's one. I was just thinking there ought to be two. Oh, there it is. Okay.
Exactly, okay.
Yeah, can somebody turn on the lights?
Dan, can you turn the lights on? Turn the car lights on?
Headlights.
By the way, the battery is disconnected.
I'll do it every time.
That could be a slight problem.
I didn't want to do something while you had your
Big
hands
problem
in there.
solved, everything's gonna work now.
That's right.
Turning it on. Okay, battery's on.
Side lights,
Oh, lights.
headlights.
See, we got everything. And only everything.
But these are brights now.
These are brights.
Can you flick it to regular?
No. Go ahead.
That should be high, low, flash.
Yeah,
So they stay on, but they don't change. Is that
that's
what-
correct.
Oh, okay, but they do stay on.
It's what the guy did just so I can have lights, because he couldn't figure out why.
I was gonna just double check the voltage of the battery. Because it seems low at the lights.
There's definitely a draw somewhere.
You're not even at 12 volts.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was getting like 10 to 11 over there at the lights, which,
Which is not that far off.
no, I know, but I'm
Yeah.
just saying,
Yeah, it's not-
it ought to
the
be-
battery's not
well, no, it's
fully-
just, if it were going through the relay and it was less than 12 volts, it would start to make me think the relay had problems.
Yeah.
But if it's less than, it could be the switch is a problem as
He
well.
put a new switch. Turn signal switch.
Yeah, but that, you know how parts are.
Exactly.
We're looking through the, so I think we're gonna have to look at what the wiring is supposed to be. Does your wiring diagram show a relay here?
No, that was put in by the previous owner.
Okay, all right. So I think there's a blue with a white stripe.
Blue with white is main, blue with red is dipped.
Oh, okay. Oh, all right.
So here's the blue.
Okay. So I'm just trying to, sorry, first I wanted to figure out what's the original part of the harness before it went over to everything else.
Originally, the only colours,
That should be the marker lights, I think.
the only colours you should see down
Yeah, we'd probably take
Blue
these
and
two,
red.
pull this out.
blue and white for the headlights, black for the ground, red for the marker light, and then green with a tracer for the turn signal.
Okay, so we do have a ground
Right, so
going to here and there.
this should be high beam only.
Oh, okay. Oh, and this is low beam only.
Yeah.
Oh, is that right?
One possibility is if the high beam doesn't have a proper ground, the dip might be grounding through the high beam element.
Oh, yeah, okay. And you think that's all the steer, well, he's got them,
Got overdrive, heater,
ignition control.
wiper lights, and ignition control. Third from the end. Parking lights?
Yeah, that's parking lights.
Now, number one is not connected to anything. There's a 6 and a 1 and
I've used this thing.
and then I don't know what.
Right off the head.
Yeah.
Okay, black to ground.
Okay, thank you.
I'm getting millivolts.
Hey Dan,
Yes, sir.
you got a sec?
Yep. You want headlights or not?
Well,
I think that's the story.
so,
Hey, Dan, y'all take a dim view of this,
Sorry, right here underneath my hand is where they tapped in to get power. It goes from there to the fuses. I'm not getting 12 volts at the fuses.
I'm not
It goes from the fuses on this side to the relay.
New car insanity?
The relay is then tapped into the harness because the power then comes to here. So
yeah, you'll see like your running lights, your daytime lights will just
Bypass the fuses,
will
so
go
like
on
on
when
the
the relay comes on.
Pickup or something?
I do not know. But anyway, I'm not getting 12 volts to
Running
the
light.
fuses, which is
We'll
weird.
go out on that one
And we
side.
went to the
and
trouble of going all the way to the battery for a ground. So I know I have a good ground. And it's just,
Let me do this. Let me
Well,
call
they
the
added that relay,
call
right?
the shop, see if they're open today. They might be. And see if I can get some kind of explanation from the shop what they did here.
oh, that would be helpful.
Because
Why don't you put on speaker?
it was yeah.
You still have the old switch?
no, I asked him, he doesn't.
No, I couldn't find it. I
So
thought
you
they
sure
gave it
that
back.
they replaced the switch? Because you replaced the whole steering column.
I
Dan?
did.
Dan?
And it's a new switch for sure. I can
What was
see
the
it.
matter with the old switch? What didn't happen?
He did. I didn't get an explanation.
Okay, so the old switch, you recognized the fault because the blinkers didn't work? The turn signal didn't work?
No, the turn signal was working fine.
So why did you replace the switch?
I did. It was the shop, and that was
Oh, I see. So
months
you didn't-
ago, and I lost that in the translation.
Okay,
We
so
did
they
so
decided
many
you
things.
needed a new switch.
Yes.
Okay, so that's interesting. So there was no problem that you could identify, and they came in with a new switch.
It's that one?
Yeah.
So
You replaced it.
potentially take that off and look at the switch itself.
It's just my host that drove from.
Yeah.
And I'm getting 11.8, so that's good.
My wife,
That's what I'm seeing here. Main dip flash
Oh,
switch.
okay. Oh, and they
So
all
one
go.
side.
Got more chairs here.
You see it's dead ended up there. At least in one case it's dead ended.
So it's getting power here and here from the same contact on the plug.
All right, now let's try that.
That's in here.
Oh, that's right. You could get to it from the air box.
Preston for a while. Surely he's got a wiring diagram, right? He's got
Four lights for 4 different relays from these signals here.
I'll check with Nancy.
for basically,
So this is the gazetas that goes out as the relays, which originally went to the lights.
Yeah.
Okay, and
So-
that
So
was
they
the-
put this in the middle, went to the inputs and the outputs,
Oh,
basically,
okay.
as the relay.
We're gonna take a lunch break, gentlemen.
Just use the postal diggers and clean it up. After 5 years.
I think we figured out the wiring
It's somebody else's.
for the most part, and where the new fuse block and relay
The first one
belong, where the wires came together.
And so I'm hoping the next.
So we're gonna take a break for lunch. We're gonna kind of think through, see if we can determine which way we want to go. Do we want to stay with the relays, which is probably
Well, it's a lower
a positive thing?
So there's
Or do we want to go
You
to
say
the
relays, is more than one relay?
I think there's if I saw it correctly, there's 3 relay
Really doing a crap.
blocks in there.
One of my neighbors.
I mean, I have a relay for the GR6 lights, and it's just one relay.
Yeah.
And it goes to, it's a
Yeah,
series
and,
wiring. and
you
it
know,
goes-
the guy added the stereo system and he put in a new fuse block in the glove compartment and you just don't know what the guy was thinking before, or people before him. Let's get some lunch. Oh, you gotta stay for lunch.
This is actually the flat.
You hold that? What is that?
That's the relays.
That work?
4 metric.
And you've got the handle on the floor over here.
I gotta pull the ground off.
You wanna fling that?
No, do not fling it
No, no,
until you know it.
It's
You're gonna put it in a box.
Pretty nice fuse panel.
Oh my god, it is.
Yep, it's even labeled.
Yeah.
And what is this?
Relay to take the power so that the light switch gets lower amps and the relay takes the higher amps in
these
case you
are-
replace the lights with something that takes a lot more power.
Look what I just got. Hang on before we go any further.
Yep.
Because he sent me some stuff with pictures. Fuse block isn't power. If you follow the wire, it is attached to the ground on the bottom of the chassis. Didn't do anything with that.
Oh.
And no idea why a ground is fused other than a charging system failure, saving the car radio amps from a backfeed.
No, so I think what happened is that was a wire that was caught up and disconnected or
Yeah.
something. It might have had a different terminal. So there was a wire that got caught up, that was wrapped around, and we weren't sure what it went to. Maybe that was the wire. I think I cut it. It might be that wire right there, as a matter of fact.
Well, but you could disconnect it from the ground.
It is disconnected, yeah. And
Yeah,
as a matter of
just
fact,
pull it
if you
off.
even cleaned the bracket. It was mounted to painted surface.
Well, it's not supposed to be grounded. That's a power. That should have been connected to the back of the alternator. It might be wrong.
Let's see if I can point. It was mounted right there.
Doing a good job. So they cut the wires to get it all to here.
That's what I think. So,
So
I'm
where
gonna
is
have to-
that? Where the hell
Where's
is
that
that cut?
That connected
So-
into here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to
Right.
determine
So-
because
so
I'm
one
just
wasn't
saying that.
one wasn't in and one wasn't out, right? One
Yeah.
of these wasn't in, and then out to the lights.
Yeah.
And this should be the right side low beam.
I think
Let's
these are
go to
orange.
main beam. Right side. I'm gonna put it on a different circuit.
So the first one is headlights main beam. The second one is headlights main beam 2.
This should be the right side. This is the left side. This should be the high left. It looks like it's white and blue and pink. Is there continuity on this one back? Did you get a beat on one of those fuses?
Yeah, the 2 dip beams.
So the whites and the slates are hard to differentiate, but that still shouldn't be. There's right and the left. You can figure out where they're coming in.
And then look at some of
They
this.
didn't do this correct anyways.
Yeah.
This bare.
The relay.
Because
Out-
some
out in
some
the
of these,
elements. You know
like
water's
these
gonna
might have
get
been-
in.
I think somebody had a harness.
They might have had a spare.
Or no.
It could have been a spare
Some
harness.
company made a harness
Or they had a parts car.
and they used it for the relays. Here. Blue.
Okay,
Blue,
and
and
W is
then
white.
W is white. Okay. So